Sanibonani. Ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Ukwazi Nsele lo phansi lenkandla abahlahla mnyama ngiyanimukela futhi today on my YouTube channel. Namhlanje sokhuluma ngento emnandi kakhulu topic amnandi kakhulu noma ngetopic emnandi kakhulu abantu abazoenjoy mhlawumbe nabazofunda futhi kuyona. This is Kwazi Nsele and his opinion podcast. Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba noKosleti, ngifinde futhi ngihambe no Price lapha. Ngiyathemba naphila ngenza kwethu.
Simnandi.
Yebo, siyaphila.
As long ngiphila. Namhlanje ngicathi ngizokhuluma ngento eniyithanda kakhulu. UBryce uzoyithanda le topic because vele ungomunye umuntu osadinga ukuthi afunde ngento eziningi when it comes to uthando. So namhlanje sizokhuluma ngama relationship phases ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo ukuthi when people are getting into a relationship iziphi ingqinamba nama phases ababhekana nawo noma iziphi izinto abathi mebekuthiwa mebethandana abasifica bedlula kuona. So before sikhulume ngizoqala ngaba lama phases or mhlambe are you aware guys mangakona lama phases mangikhuluma ngawo? Anikho even nawe?
No.
Oh, okay. So we have like 6 different phases. Like when umongena ku relationship, ama phases omele udlule kuona before you reach a stage where you like I'm committed to this person.
Okay.
But that's another topic mhlawumbe sokhuluma ngolunye usuku. About ama commitment nan. But these ama phases each and every time ingena uthando nivumelana ukuthi we are in a relationship kunalama phases ayi6 endlula kuona. And those 6 phases there's awasho njobe u6 1 2 3 4 5 6 alandelana the way kungakhona. Ngiyenze
in reality.
Yes, in reality. But alandelana ngendlela engwabhale ngakhona, but in reality axovene, yabo? So mangiloku ngikhuluma kanjena lapho bafuthe emakhaya umuntu nomuntu ngicathi uzokwazi uzubona ukuthi yena ukuphi phase noma ukusiphi stage noma ukuphi level when it comes to a relationship yakhe nala akasuke khona. So if phase yokuqala sibiza ukuthi fairy tale phase ngizoyichaza ukuthi why yini fairy tale phase, and then phase yes2 sibiza ukuthi realism phase, and then phase yes3 betrayal of trust, phase yes4 sibiza ukuthi gaslight phase, phase yes5 reality check, and then yes6 ngiyibiza ukuthi it's my perfect choice phase.
Okay.
Ngathi amagama khona ayazisho. So phase yokuqala ngwabhale phansi yaso ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngisikhumbuze ukuthi ngingagcina ngikhuluma into eningi futhi kuphinda futhi ngidavos. So each and every time mangikhuluma phase if ghost lady unama points noma mhlawumbe uyakhumbula ukuthi ku relationship yakho engazi ukuthi ngeke nadlula kule phase, don't ungasabi ukuthi hey yazi ngathi ngiyadlula kule phase. Nawe Bryce if uyabona ukuthi hey ngathi le phase lengangadlula kuyona uzokusho. So the first phase it's a fairy tale phase. So igama liyazisho it's a fairy tale phase. Ngothando wayibiza nge-honeymoon phase. So i-fairy tale phase ilapho usuka khona uthando lisuke lisavutha lungena direction konke nje oku-wrong ku-right. So it's a phase where othandweni lwenu maniqala nihlangana anikhuluma iqiniso ngezinto noma ngezimo eniyizo. I-phase enganalo iqiniso engakuniki the clear direction of a relationship, but it just shows i-phase ukuthi i-phase leni kuyona.
Okay.
Right? So it's more of a situation ukuthi neqeda ukuqomana and wena mangase kuthiwa shada lo muntu vele uvuke kusena umshado. It's where oba neshow kudlula zonke ikhathi kwaba neshow ngazi ukuthi wena nalo othandana naye akaboni lutho lo onayo yena right kakhulu.
Kuba ngathi mnethu idlozi.
Uvele ukuthi ngazuthi uvele uhlala ke ngibuye idlozi uvele ukuthi yes uvele ubone ngazuthi
Loya uyena benebhali.
lo no ohlukene naye ngathi wena benebhali yazi ukuthi hey uyazi awumcabanga ukuthi unamaphutha umcabanga ukuthi unama ex ucabanga ukuthi even nama ex akhe wona lo muntu wakho right yabona. So phase 1 it's more of ngathi niphile emhlabeni wenu nobabili, and the way niphila ngakhona emhlabeni wenu nobabili niyafonelana ama phone calls ama phone calls nifonela ngama minute akucomplainisa akunankinga. So
Konke understanding.
okay understanding so to a point ukuthi you understand easily. So nongabe umuntu wakho uthi bebo wami ngibambekile la netown angikwazanga ukuthi ngiyahle ngize lapha endlini like hayi akukhokhe ngisana sami nami ngisaphulumile namajeti sithanda sami kuphela ibhetri angakwazi ukufonela ebusuku like baby no it's okay now uexplain njalo yini, and then utshela abangani bakhe uyathanda ukuchaza umuntu wami. So it's a phase so it's a phase that's when you actually that's when you actually realize how bad your ex was. Like, my ex was bad because this person is giving you a new experience of uthando. Yonke into yakhanya, yonke into imhlophe, kumnandi, yonke into. Even nangendlela enikhuluma ngayo, even nangendlela enibhekana ngayo, nangendlela enixoxa ngakhona ngefuture. Each and every time enixoxa future, ngazi ukuthi niyafana. Akukho la nini khona manikhuluma, nibone ngathi niyaphambana. Makuthi uyabona ukuthi
You have a lot in common. Yes.
We have a lot in common. We have a lot in common, you know, because it looks very common. You see, so to a point ukuthi ufuna ukumphikisa, but akaphikiseki because ithi inhliziyo nothando lwakho siyafana nalo muntu. So it's when uvuma khona izinto eziningi obengamele uzivuma. That's when respect isuka inkulu ngendlela eyisimanga. You respect each other regardless. So the way nihloniphana ngakhona ninokulokhuzane aniplan into enenzayo. So each and every time nenza something you're not planning it, nivele niyenza.
True. And I feel ukuthi kuleso stage lesi la lot of people are careless.
Yeah.
In terms of what are the foundation you want your relationship to be built on.
Exactly.
Yabona uthola ukuthi you know very well ukuthi wena awuthanda umuntu ukuthi avele show up nje engakwazisanga ukuthi yena ufuna ukufika ezobona, you know.
Yes.
Uthola ukuthi la now I have my boyfriend afike ngo12.
Yeah.
Athi baby ngaphandle uvela ungabuza imibuzo uphuma ishone khona. And ngaleso sikhathi you are teaching loyo muntu wakho ipattern wrong mase sesihambile mhlambe la sizosichazela leso stage usesesikipi kodwa mase sidlulile le stage lesi se honeymoon no fairy tale la usuqala khona usuvule kamehlo noma usuba wena usuba wena
ngiyeza la. So actually what you're trying to say, this is where you paint a wrong picture of each other.
Exactly.
So this is where actually you enjoy even doing sex. You enjoy each and everything. Awunaki even nokuthi umuntu wakho udla yanxafuza bedle awunaki le nto le. Awunaki ukuthi uyangcola. Awunaki ukuthi kunama habits akanawo athile that you don't like. So ezinye izinto akazenzayo izinto othi noma uxoxela abangani bakho usihleke. Uthi you know guys yazi unokufika nje vela shit lo emnyaka afethu yabo. So izinto kwawona wazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi awuzithandi, you don't want someone who's messy, you don't want someone ongekho tidy the way. So a stage where you cannot just say no. So whenever umuntu ethi yes.
Kanti if uyibuka kahle futhi ke mangibuka ifana ngabe le stage osebenzisa to your advantage or to advantage of your relationship, because the stage la a level of understanding is very high. So if ever ngingasho ngampela izinto that I want and I don't want,
you can capitalize on the
exactly.
Stage. To a point ukuthi that stage isi stage esokuthi ufica ukuthi ningena ku relationship mhlambe intombazana oyisheli noma le uthandana nayo inengane ezithu, and you know ukuthi awuthanda ingane, and then athi nengane ezithu ignore lokho for that moment. You ignore, you're like vele mina ingane ngiyayithanda yabo. So if umuntu wesifazana umuntu wakho unengane ezithu noma ezo4 you're like vele ingane ngiyayithanda. So that's a stage where you need to stamp your authority and tell umuntu the way ungakhona. If you don't like into ethile uyamtshela angithanda ethile. If ufika uzokucheck ebusuku uyamtshela ukuthi no mina I don't like check ebusuku yabona. So and then that's actually a stage engasibizwa ukuthi stage engazuthi uyahlala.
You blinded.
You blinded by
ilala uthando khona lingaboni.
Ilala uthando khona lingaboni. And then we have the stage 2. So stage 2 sisibiza ngokuthi realism phase, or it's a big turn of phase. So stage 2 noma phase 2 it's more of stage esingasibiza ngokuthi kulapho urealize izinto ongasithandi